Well, I know I didn't manage to catch construction last week, but luckily today I arrived just in time. All this and more coming up next on PA and J Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Wow, guys. She is flying through the layout. And up into the first overbank. And into the stall. Wow. And into the back section of the route. Wow, they are seeing a lot of trains. Great speed going into that overbank turn. Yeah, this looks like it's hauling through the layout. That's the one thing I liked about Iron Gwazi. It kept its speed throughout. And here we go again. You can hear the lift hill going. Second overbank turn, great speed. Wow, that speed hill right there. Wow. And here we are staying on the balcony of Hershey Gardens. Great speed going in that Camelback airtime hill. Awesome. That stall looks like it holds you so much longer than Jersey Devil. Yeah, great speed. And then going into the death roll. And then a couple more twists and turns. And into the brake run. And there she is. Like I said in last week's video, I'm really interested to see how it's going to take the pre-lift section. I haven't really seen too many videos on that, so I'm interested to see. Man, guys, I can't just put the camera down. Every time I see it go, I just want to pull it out. Listen to that roar. Awesome. This is either the black car or the charcoal car. The stall. The overbank turn. And the double down. And into the death roll. Alright guys, let's head inside Hershey Park and see what we can see. Alright guys, let's head down to Wildcat's Revenge, but first, one ride on Sky Rush. Alright guys, now I got that out of my system, let's head to Wildcat's Revenge. Here we are guys, down by Wildcat's Revenge Catering. Let's see what we can see. Here it comes guys, and this is the silver car, I think it is. Wow. And as you can hear, just like Iron Gwazi, is a very loud left hill. Slow start at the beginning. Very loud. I kind of wish it would slow down at the top like Iron Gwazi, but this is not as tall as Iron Gwazi, so makes sense. And into the overbank. And here it comes. You hear the wood creaking. You see up there, I think that's either the charcoal car, I'm guessing. And there goes the multi-move station. So they should be dispatching another train.
The amount, like 1 cup of coffee has 200 milligrams of caffeine.
Kind of just see through the fence. There's some folks up there from RMC. One of them is wearing a shirt. And just like Iron Gwazi, they've got the horn going.
No, time it's 43.
It also looks like the transfer track is moving over. And they're taking another train off, guys. Let's see which one this is.
چرا ما همین رو رفتیم با مامان آرامش
Actually, guys, I think this is the silver car. Alright, it's back on. So they might be cycling 2 now. And they're about to send it. And there it goes, guys. Wow, that is loud. Although I am used to Iron Gwazi, so no surprise.
It's not that bad. Is that the one with the
And it's being very slow. Straight up, going up. I was right about that light package. So now they're running 3 trains. Now all 3 trains should be testing now. Okay? Now it's speeding up because that car moved on to the final brake run. So now this one can go. There it goes. Wow, that is very quick whipping around that final turn there. And there goes another one. And as some of you probably already saw, they already put Nick's plaque back, so that's really cool. I'm glad they kept this. Alright, now it's going. Unfortunately, it's gonna be, this tree is blocking my view. There it goes. Wow. That is going to be some great G-force going into that final turn. I underestimated that movement. And they have now renamed this to Revenge Beverages. So, kind of cool. Twisted Beverages, that's what it was called, is now Revenge Beverages. And there goes that final train. Alright, we're down here by laugh track. Let's see what we can see. And you can hear it going. Here it comes. Great speed going through that. Wow, that is awesome. I hope the operations keep up with that, whereas the one train is doing that final 0G roll. That train is going up the left hill. That, I hope they keep that up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be some great whip. Yeah, it's kind of like operating a lot like Air Force One has been, where it's like really slow in the beginning, and then towards the top it speeds up. Yeah, that is definitely cooking through the free left. Oh, Hershey, please time that up correctly when you open this. And yanked over that drop. Nice. Wow, great stepping into it and stepping out of it. This thing is hauling really good for the afternoon, or the evening, sorry. And here it comes again. The death roll. And into the 0-2 roll. This is like Disney operations right now. Of course, there's no one on it right now. So we'll see how it is once it opens. It does feature a multi-move station. Or sorry, not multi-move, but basically there's a entrance and an exit. So it stops at 2 points in the station, not just one. One place will let guests off, and one place will let guests in. So hopefully should speed up operations a little bit better.
Welcome to the Hershey Park Kissing Tower. For your safety, please remain seated during the ride and refrain from sitting or leaning on the doors and windows. Smoking is prohibited. Thank you and enjoy your ride. The Kissing Tower stands 330 feet high from its base to the flagpole. Today our cabin will climb 250 feet into the air, making 3 rotations during the ride. Take in the views of Hershey, Pennsylvania, and listen to the story of how it came to be. Our founder, Milton S. Hershey, opened his chocolate factory in the middle of Derry Township in 1905. He chose this location due to the convenient access to fresh milk from local farms. Today, his factory town is known as Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. With Milton Hershey's support, houses, businesses, and entertainment came into existence, creating the town we know today. Let's take a closer look at some of the attractions inspired by our founder. Hershey Park was the largest underflip on 3 custom trains. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Entry is included in your one-price admission. Beyond the park is the Hershey Gardens, home to the Milton and Catherine Hershey Conservatory. He commissioned the construction of several grand structures, including Hershey Park Arena, Hershey Park Stadium, and the Hotel Hershey. Next to the Hotel Hershey is Catherine Hall, part of the Milton Hershey School. Hershey Entertainment and Resorts.
But anyways, guys, I think that's going to do it from this week's construction update. Next time, we will be here at Hershey Park, finally riding Wildcat's Revenge. I can't believe I'm saying that. It was great getting to see it testing. You know, it is just, as you can see, just flying through its layout. And there it goes right behind me. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.